Guys, welcome back to Movie Vlog TV. If this is your first time coming, please consider subscribing, turn on the notifications for more of the. I know this is a song I sing every day. Please turn on the notifications for more good videos. Let's go. And I want to address this issue because a lot of people have requested this video from me, and actually I didn't want to drop the video, but I've decided to do it. Concerning membership, YouTube membership, like when a lot of people, when they are monetized, they turn on their membership button, for people to join. Yes, this is a scheme that helps a lot of YouTubers, like to make income. But there is one pertinent point that a lot of young YouTubers are having issues with. One YouTuber came up to me where he complained about this, the way he joined a group, like one membership, but he is not seeing any benefit joining this group because the number of views that he's having when he drops his number of videos even performs more than the person that owns the membership. So you realize that there was a little bit of controversy in this video, on what he told me. I was a little bit confused, like actually what to tell him. At the end of the day, I realized that some people actually, I will say this confidently, without being afraid of anybody, that when you are monetized, please take your time. Don't just start calling people to join your membership. First, step up your game first. When you step up your game, you realize that you are now getting the real attention that you seek on this platform. You can then call up like people to join your member because they are seeing the productive nature of your channel. When you share their video out, they are seeing how the video is performing. When you are shouting them out, they should be seeing the result. So you now make people like they become scared, like to join membership. I know it is very difficult as a small YouTubers to make money, or like to keep people closer to you on this membership forum, because a lot of young YouTubers want to see with their eyes the progress you are first making before they can be convinced to be part of your membership. So my advice to young YouTubers is this: when you are monetized, keep in mind that this will be very difficult for you. So the only advice at this moment that you are supposed to be taking is to work harder, to strategize yourself so that your channel should be more productive. When you shout somebody out, the person should be seeing the progress. When you share somebody's videos out, the person should be seeing the progress. Some will not actually like to support you because you are not joining their membership. Yes, I know. Everybody came to this platform to make money. Yes. But we should also think of the support we are giving these people, these young YouTubers. Is it enough for them or to support them? This is, before monetization, when you hear membership like this is a scheme, you'll be happy. But you realize that it will become like a scam scheme when people have joined your membership and they are not seeing the support you are giving them. I want to call the indulgence of all young YouTubers. Please, before taking any money from anybody, first check your channel. I got a request from a Nigerian YouTuber where she actually pleaded to me to do this video because she has been on someone membership for long. Instead of her benefit from the person's channel, the person is the one benefiting from her. So this is a disturbing issue. So please watch this video to the end and you get the message. I didn't want to roast on this video to call people's names on this video because I respect every content creator. So proceed, let's watch the video. Dear content creators, we should wake up. We should not only look about the money aspects on this platform, we should also think of how other people have sacrificed to have that little amount that they pay in. Since I monetize, I don't want to turn on this. There will be a time I will turn on this, because now I am not really getting the attention that I want. So I am still working very hard, to have what I want. After I see that, no, I am now getting the attention. When I call your name on my channel and I see that, you will be able to get the attention, yes, I can now ask for, turn on the notifications for people to join my forum. It's a mistake that we are doing. Some people do it because they are seeing others that are doing, but I want to tell you the truth. Stay awake and rethink over this scheme again. It's a good scheme. Yes. Since I came in here, my only little franc that I have been working, I depend on. I don't really care about money now on this platform, because I know in the long run I will make a lot. I make money now, but that is not really my focus. My focus is to first build my forum to be stronger. When my forum will be stronger, before I can seek the attention of everybody. So now everybody that is working with you, focus to assist them in your own little way. With this, you will notice that people would start running after your channel without you saying a word. Talking about YouTube money, this is one thing that I will address. I promise on one video to address this. There are strategies that you can develop to make money on this platform. Not only on these partnership programs, joining membership programs. Not only that, we have other ways that we make money. The money I make on YouTube, on YouTube, apart from this, it's more than the unlimited coins that if I ask you to join my membership, and you will be expecting a lot from me, and I will not be able to deliver to you. So I prefer to work harder, to drop more clips. I have a target to make $10 a day, but sometimes when I don't meet up to $6, $7, I'll be angry. That is why sometimes I need to drop good videos for people to be engaging on certain content. So this is the only way you can make it. Now, I said on my last video, you need to take 3-4 days and re-strategize your video strategies. Re-strategize them. You bring in new aspects that people will be, in fact, that people will fall in love of your videos. I don't have a lot of views. If you check most of my videos, I don't perform, but I make approximately, let's say $5, $6 some days in a day. So if as a small YouTuber, people think that the only thing for you to make money is by platform partnership, no. Step up your game, and you will tell me the result after this. I didn't want to roast on this video because I didn't want to call names, because it's not fair for me to call people's name. I just wanted to outline this on a single clip, like to draw people's attention on this. That is my take on joining YouTube partner platforms. I have helped thousands of people, 0 franc. I don't need their money. I don't need. My happiness is when I see that you are succeeding. When you are succeeding on your platform and getting the attention that you want, I am happy. When I drop a video, the only payment you can give me is to come watch my video, like, comment, and give me money by watching my art. When you do that, it's more than everything to me. I drop videos every day. Imagine you watch my art maybe 5 times a week. You have given me money that anybody can pay. So we should not worry as ourselves too much on things like this. It's my always duty, like, to bring videos like this that has a little impact to play on your growth. Thank you guys for always trusting in me, to sending in me requests of videos like this. God bless you. See you on my next video. I drop daily, but now I will be starting school. Maybe I'll be dropping one video after a day, like to meet up with other things concerning my school program. So thank you guys.